Hello, my name is Jens Ormö. I am a research scientist at the Centro de Astrobiología here in Madrid. And I am working on impact craters, the geology, but also in experiments. And I am going to present a seminar titled Impact Craters as Paleoenvironmental Indicators. And it is a kind of study that is the red thread through all the work I'm doing. It is how you can use impact craters, their shape and geology, to reconstruct the environment in which they once formed. And that can be very useful for instance, to find potential habitats on Mars that were once active or maybe still today. Thank you.